Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss MRCP, Magnetic Resonance Cholangiopancreatography, with a step-by-step guide on MRI planning and protocol. This video is especially useful for radiology students, MRI technologists, and junior doctors. What is MRCP? MRCP is a non-invasive MRI technique used to visualize the biliary tree and pancreatic ductal system. It primarily evaluates intrahepatic bile ducts, common bile duct or CBD, gallbladder, pancreatic duct. MRCP is based on heavily T2-weighted sequences where static fluid appears hyperintense or bright, allowing excellent visualization of fluid-filled ducts. Patient preparation. Proper patient preparation is essential for high-quality MRCP images. 1. The patient should undergo 4 to 6 hours of fasting. This ensures adequate gallbladder distension, reduces bowel fluid and motion artifacts. 2. The procedure is explained to the patient and breath-holding practice is given before scanning. 3. All metallic objects, such as jewelry, belts, or coins, are removed and MRI safety screening is completed. Patient positioning. The patient is positioned supine on the MRI table. A body coil or torso coil is commonly used. The anatomical landmark is taken at the xiphoid process or upper abdomen level. Arms are preferably placed above the head to reduce artifacts and improve image quality. Localizer or scout imaging. A 3-plane localizer is acquired first: axial, coronal, sagittal. These images help identify the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas and allow accurate planning of subsequent sequences. Routine pre-MRCP sequences. Before the dedicated MRCP images, basic abdominal MRI sequences are obtained, including axial T2-weighted images, axial T1-weighted images in phase and out of phase, and coronal T2-weighted images. These sequences help evaluate liver parenchyma, pancreas, and surrounding structures. MRCP main sequences. Now we move to the core MRCP protocol. 1. Thick slab MRCP. Heavily T2-weighted sequence. Single thick slice acquisition. Planned in coronal oblique plane. Covers the gallbladder, common bile duct, and pancreatic duct. This sequence provides a quick overview of the biliary system. 2. Thin slice 3D MRCP. Heavily T2-weighted 3D sequence, thin slices, usually 1 to 2 millimeters, acquired in the coronal plane. Post-processing is performed to generate MIP, or maximum intensity projection images. This sequence is the gold standard for detecting biliary stones, ductal strictures, ductal dilatation, pancreatic duct dilatation, gallbladder pathology. Fluid-filled structures appear bright, while solid tissues appear relatively hypointense. Advantages of MRCP. MRCP offers several advantages: non-invasive, no ionizing radiation, no contrast media required, excellent alternative to ERCP for ductal evaluation. In conclusion, proper patient preparation, accurate planning, and correct sequence selection are the key factors for obtaining high-quality diagnostic MRCP images. Following this step-by-step MRCP protocol will help you perform a reliable and diagnostic MRCP examination. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more radiology-related educational content. Thank you.